have been shuffling through paperwork, battling with the feds since Elizabeth's Social Security checks suddenly stopped this summer.
I was deceased and I couldn't get any money, and I need my money.
I discovered that Social Security made a huge mistake when they were updating what they call their death files in 3 states, North Dakota, South Dakota, and Virginia. Uncle Sam killed off Elizabeth Green and said that she died 10 years ago. Social Security tells us their mix-up potentially affects 19,000 people. Elizabeth's daughter is furious.
And that's when the bank printed out a statement, and it showed that the Treasury Department had retrieved her August Social Security check. Then they put a hold on the rest of the money.
Barbara Gaskin contacted 7 on Your Side. We discovered Social Security already sent out death notices to other federal agencies, which affected Elizabeth's accounts with doctors and pharmacies. When I realized Elizabeth was actually alive, I contacted officials at the Social Security Administration. It took me about 24 hours to bring her back from the dead. Now Elizabeth has her August and September Social Security check. Officials at Social Security refused to chat on camera, but emailed. We are aggressively analyzing the data and correcting our records.
I thank you, because I know that I would have never gotten a call unless you all got involved.
So 7 on Your Side gets involved, and we bring you back to life.
I know.
Well, how do you feel about that?
Good.
Social Security says 3/4 of the people they killed off are now back alive. Scott Taylor, ABC 7 News.
Can you imagine how frustrating that must be? All right, tell us how 7 on Your Side can step in and help you. Just call us at the number on your screen, 866-236-3401. You can always get us on our website at WJLA.com.
All right, well, take a look at this. NASA's Hubble Space Telescope is sending back some amazing pictures from outer space. Isn't that gorgeous? The image comes from one of the Milky Way's satellite galaxies. Oh, just 160,000 light years away. That's all. The stars in this picture emit an intense ultraviolet light, which causes nearby hydrogen gas to glow.
So you're saying it would take more than 15 minutes to get there?
I think so. A few more than that. All right, well, around here we've got the weekend coming and a change finally in this heat wave.
Yes, looks like by Sunday it'll be, especially during the day, the drier and cooler air will move in. So we've got tonight, tomorrow all day, tomorrow night will be very hot and muggy, and then it changes for the better. Now, we're not going to just jump into fall. We're getting a little taste or preview of fall weather, because it's probably going to warm back up again next week.
Okay.
So let's get started here as we look at live sky condition for a weather bug camera in Frederick at St. John Regional Catholic School. There's some clouds there and a couple little showers not far away, and that's kind of the pattern we're going to have tonight for a while. Maybe an isolated shower, a few heavier clouds moving overhead. Temperatures right now, it is hot around the area. 93 in Frederick, 92 in Hagerstown, Leesburg at 95, 94 in Fredericksburg, 87 degrees in Annapolis right now. So we hit 96 unofficially so far at Reagan National, shy of our record. Set a new record of 96 degrees at Washington Dulles, and so far seem to be 1 degree shy of the record established for the day at BWI Thurgood Marshall. So if you're keeping score at home, this is where our high today in the 90s did. It means the 55th time this year we've hit 90 or higher. 21 times it's been 95 or higher. Look to our next closest year in recent times where we've had a big number of days. Back in 2012, we've had 53 days total as far as the number of days above 90 degrees, but 27 of them were above 95. So listen, every now and then we get hot years, and this is certainly one of them. This summer has been that way, especially through August and early September. Temperatures will slowly drop into the 80s this evening. That's going to be the story at Nationals Park. It'll be near 90 degrees for first pitch as the Phillies come to town to play again tonight. And these are a couple little showers we've been watching. There are a couple little showers near the Frederick area. We showed the darker clouds in our live shot. And then southwest of Leesburg, just on the eastern side of the Blue Ridge, a couple little heavier showers. Keeping an eye on them. They're eventually going to make it possibly into western Loudoun County before they die out, and a few more farther west. So certainly nothing like a few nights ago when we had huge storms that kept repeating. These are kind of just caused by the higher terrain and the heat and humidity of the day. A lot of these should diminish as we head through the evening hours. Now we get through tomorrow. Our Storm Watch 7 Futurecast gives us a clue that will be plenty warm and a fair amount of sunshine through the day, but we get through tomorrow evening, and then we start paying more attention to some of the clouds forming to the west, and by tomorrow night, when cold front starts to get a bit closer, then our chances of showers will start to increase. But notice it's not until very late at night or the overnight hours. In fact, this model suggests that a couple of showers could be hanging around through Sunday morning. But as we get through the day, these northwesterly winds will eventually deliver drier and cooler air. In fact, by Sunday afternoon, it's going to be gorgeous here with temperatures in the lower to middle 80s, low humidity, just a dramatic change from Saturday afternoon to Sunday afternoon, and it gets even better as we head through the day on Monday. So here's the official weekend forecast. Hot and humid, mid-90s tomorrow, feeling like 100 or higher. We get the showers late tomorrow night into Sunday morning, then clearing, breezy, cooler, more pleasant, 86 on Sunday afternoon. And then check out Monday. The Redskins and Steelers up at FedEx Monday night. It'll be perfect early season football weather. Temperatures in the 70s during the game. The air will be nice and dry. Highs of only 82. We'll warm up Wednesday and Thursday a bit, and then another cold front Wednesday night will bring even cooler air back in the 70s for Thursday and Friday. So here's the deal where we look weather-wise for the next few weeks. We're going to have a few hot days, but you see what happens. We have a few hot days, cold front cools us off, warm up, cool off again, and that progressive pattern is how we go from summer weather to autumn weather.
There you go.